everyone. So far, we've learned all the basic gimbal movements. In this episode, I'm going to show you the most iconic style when using the gimbal, the Inception effect. To put it simply, the Inception-inspired style is a filming mode that we can pretty much find on any handheld gimbal system. When you turn on this mode, the gimbal will have the camera facing upward and rotate on his pan axis. Because the camera is facing up, you need to point it forward like this. Thus, the pan axis becomes the roll axis, enabling the camera to rotate 360 degrees. This is a unique effect to utilize the gimbal motor function, so you can achieve it with the Steadicam. To enable the effect on Feiyu AK2000C, you can simply swipe to the second page and click the Inception mode. Now you're good to go, easy peasy. You can also adjust the speed, set up the number, and the direction of the rotation. Then you press the button, leave the rest to the gimbal. Or you can just manually control the roll by pushing the joystick or either left or right in all follow mode. When shooting in the Inception mode, the ninja walk is still necessary. Try to walk in a straight line, otherwise your shot may look messy. I found combining the Inception mode with slow motion can deliver a very emotional and cinematic effect. I prefer to shoot 60 frames per second or 120 frames per second and slow down to 24. Of course, you can also speed ramp your footage to create some very interesting shots like this. I did that camera promo on the Inception mode, but I'm gonna point out one crucial thing when using this mode. You see, when you put your camera on the gimbal, you need to find its center of balance. Because different camera has different weights, your camera may not always line up with the roll axis after balancing. This will result in deviating from the center when you perform the roll. So if you want a camera to roll in its lens center, you need to manually add weights to the gimbal so that the camera can be lined up with the axis. There are weights made for a gimbal you can buy online, but my solution is just attach some accessories I already have, like clamps or arms. Once you add those weights and have your camera balanced on his lens center, you will have a perfect 360-degree roll.